An increased focus on clean energy and a substantial price differential between gas and competing fuels such as petrol and diesel augurs well for the gas marketing companies. Let's do a three-point analysis of the Q2 earnings of major gas companies and see if they offer a value buying opportunity for investors. 1. How are the Q2 earnings? Well, the Q2 performance of IGL, Mahanagar Gas and Gujarat Gas was healthy. Also, Gujarat Gas and IGL's revenue growth was good and margins were aided by strong volume growth. While Gujarat Gas reported a strong 27% revenue growth, IGL's revenue was up 19% on a year-on-year basis. Mahanagar Gas did also well in Q2 with a 13% year-on-year uptick in revenues. Its volumes, however, were muted chiefly due to one-off events during the quarter. Now, lower spot liquefied natural gas prices or LNG prices and the new corporate tax rates have also contributed to better profit margins. 2. What's the outlook on the sector? Well, the recent softness in spot LNG prices has aided margin expansion for downstream companies, which is expected to continue in the current quarter as well. With environmental concerns also growing, government policies have been very helpful by supporting the use of relatively cleaner fuel like natural gas. The penetration of natural gas has been limited so far. Now, with the rising oil prices and policy support, we also believe there would be higher gas usage from here on. Now, even in existing markets, MGL and IGL are likely to report higher volumes. Our view is that unified gas tariffs would also lead to higher transmission costs for gas distribution companies. But we believe it would also bring in procurement freedom and also eventually turn out to be a positive. Now, with a significant difference between prices, natural gas remains a cheaper and more attractive option. Now, this leads to higher conversion to CNG and deeper penetration in the industrial segment. Now, this is one major supportive factor for volumes, and we expect higher conversions and volumes to continue in the coming months. 3. What should be investors' strategy now? Well, all three companies, IGL, MGL and Gujarat Gas, are well positioned to benefit from the regulatory, environmental, budgetary as well as global tailwinds. Both operational as well as the macro policy environment appears to be favoring the sector. Now, stocks have seen a sharp run-up in the past few months and also valuations have spiked. MGL and Gujarat Gas seem relatively attractive at these valuations when you compare it with IGL's premium valuations as well.